We're doing it on Omega. Oh, that looks pretty not cool. This is still the old band list. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information, and share the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Jude! Fafnir, Nova, Nova, Alpha, Alpha, Linkariba. Alpha, Tribute Zeta. Special summon in defense, activate effect. Ben 10 is gonna be limited. What the Zeta, Tribute Ben 10. Special summon, activate effect, add ritual spell, Ben 10. It's gonna get the other Ben 10. Or I'm gonna get the orange light. Just in case. Just in case. I'll save this just in case. And then Union Carrier is banned. What? I need to replace 2 Union Carriers. Activate effect. Target itself. Dawn Knight equip. Video on DRYTRON15. Phantom from the grave. Use Union Carrier. Dawn Knight. It's gonna dump Gamma. Ooh, okay, this is where I do preparation of rites. Yeah. Preparation of rites, I'll get another Ben 10. And the ritual spell. Probably should have gotten Natasha. Gamma, Tribute Ben 10. Special summon, activate effect. Special summon, Alpha. Ben 10. It's gonna get Bandage Ruler. Oh, I was gonna activate maybe on DRYTRON from the grave, huh? Medium DRYTRON, Ben 10, Gamma, no Fafnir. Oh, no, I can't do that. Tribute summon Bandage Ruler, 2 Ben 10s. It's gonna be Eva and purple. Maybe on DRYTRON, all set. Do I link it off or no? No. Turnando. Okay. I'll send that after. Oh, he sets a card. That's it. No. Toro! Oh, Raigeki. Raigeki. It's got something. It's got something. I think I'll do Zeta Alpha switch. Yeah. DRYTRON switcheroonie. Ooh, I could do ultimateness. Yeah, let's do ultimateness. Uh-oh. Maybe on DRYTRON, ultimateness in attack. And we'll do Gamma. Tribute Benten. Activate effect. Special Alpha. Benten. That's Natasha. Mediana DRYTRON, decrease attack. From grave, add to hand. What? Yeah, that's getting negated. Ultimateness. Oh, I could even send Natasha. Ah. That is not a once per turn. That's great. Video is DRYTRON. This is gonna affect Natasha's oh, gonna Dynamiscus and yeah. Not a once per turn with ultimateness. Dogmatica punishment. Negating everything. Jeez, ultimateness. No Fafnir. Yeah, Natasha's probably gonna be at 2. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. So I would have to cut 1, 2, 3. Probably just gonna put one Natasha, one more Natasha. What was I? And then 2 of these. Oh yeah, it's 1 Natasha. And then just add these back. What the Let's Duel wins from Lost Connection, yes. 1200. 1175 before, now I'm 1200. I went up 25 points. Lost Connection, hell yeah. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.